I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
I just wanna get this taste out of my mouth sometimes. I could be emotional, my thoughts get loud sometimes. We could make love outside under the clouds, get live till our phones both die. I wanna know both sides, put your heart in the deep end, yeah. Put down your defense, yeah. I know myself and I get worse around the evening, yeah. And I know that it gets harder when I don't sleep or drink water. She the only piece of mine I want a part of. I'm here for the cracks and the painting, all day raining, the problems that I never wanna solve. I'm here for the bad that you came with, I never wanna change it. We out our minds and that's why we involved. That's what makes you good. 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 I want you to know you lit even when it gets dark. Taste blood on my lips and still trust my heart. Drive me from the hospital with a bag of cash and your lip gloss on. Fat ass, no centerfold, cause that shit's too skinny, bro. Past life running through my mind, bad dreams and cheap wine. Sad songs and flannel on, eating cantaloupe in a G5. And I know that you keep stressing and calling them imperfections, but that's just why you the only one I mess with. I'm here for the cracks in the painting, all day raining, the problems that I never wanna solve. I'm here for the bad that you came with, I never wanna change it. We got our minds and that's why we involved. That's what makes you good. what makes you good. That's 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 what makes you good.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I started forming habits. I used to be calm, then my mind turned kinda savage, yeah. The come up was more than fast. It was rapid, that bad bitch. Yeah, you know I had to nab it, but it's cool though. I had game, no clue though. I came in on an unknown tip. They were like, damn who, bro? But I stay out of this world, I'm on Pluto. A man handle the beat like judo. I said I'm in control of my time to blow. This young nigga put a bomb in a 𝕆𝖆𝖏𝖆. Okay, so I'm ready to detonate. I didn't come to play, you can get that straight. Wait, all you other niggas I will decimate. You're tryna copy the kid but can't replicate. Emulate what I'm doing. Everyone's a critic, you can get to reviewing. Ay, all I want is a shit to go cosmic. I stay with a young G, never lost it. Cause this shit's different, man. I started forming habits. And all that flying shit, you know we gotta have it. And yeah, we started causing havoc. Said all my niggas stay wavy, corner rapid, just corner rapid, said all my niggas wavy, corner rapid, and we started causing havoc. Said all my niggas stay wavy, corner rapid. I've never been one for the chaos, but I've even got G's that would ride for a nigga in Lagos. That shit's so mad, cause I've never even been in Lagos. But I wrote these bars in the upper class lounge on the way to Barbados. Wait, am I even caking? Ice in, yeah, this nigga's baking. Grandma, yeah, this nigga's skating. I'm on the next level, got me levitating. Wait, I'm sipping Henny, now I'm levitating. Wait, another sip, I was regulating. By the third sip, I was estimating. How long will it take till I'm penetrating? Wait, she wanna crush up a Zan. This was part of the plan, but be from Japan. Betty from Milan. That's what it did then, that she wanna fuck them. Say she don't love her man. He can't do as I can, her boy got a ban. Now she's my biggest fan, she turned a new leaf like it's Jan. Yeah, Happy New Year. I remember resolution, got some new gear. I switched up my bean for trap star and bought some new waves. Someone bring a canoe here. In fact, bring a boat, we gotta stay afloat. I just spent a couple bills on this brand new coat. Ay, you move funny, but this ain't no joke. Get the loud, sit back, take a talk, cause shit's different, man. I started forming habits. And all that flying shit, you know we gotta have it. And yeah, we started causing havoc. Said all my niggas stay wavy, corner rapid, just corner rapid, said all my niggas wavy, corner rapid, and we started causing havoc. Said all my niggas stay wavy, corner rapid, just corner rapid, corner rapid. And we started causing havoc. Said all my niggas stay wavy, gonna rap it.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.